Today let's learn how to download Instagram Reels video to gallery without any apps. Save your Reels with music. To get started, open up the Instagram application, log into your account, go to your profile, tap on profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, what we need to do, simply tap on the Reels icon here. Then open up any video, for example this one. As you can see here says audio. I just disable audio because I recording video for you, and simply tap on three dots at the bottom right corner of the screen. From the appearance menu you'll be able to see save to your device. Simply tap on save to your device. Alright, as you can see here say save it. Then go to your camera roll, to your gallery. As you can see recents, here's this video. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comments section below. Hit the like button, tell me so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly, everything else. I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I will catch you guys in the next video.